kanang kaugalingon nila mga functions. For example, kani siya mga structure, and organelles is responsible for growth, and this one is responsible for repair. This one is responsible for development, reproduction, and also the growth. And number 2, cells possesses a genetic program and the means to use it. Cells contains DNA, what we call deoxyribonucleic acid, which carries the genetic information that is necessary for growth, reproduction, and development. So, from the word DNA, mo na siya describe ang characteristics and traits. For example, we humans, plants, masking animals have DNA, which describes ang atong physical appearance or ang atong traits sa atong behavior, atong batasan. And DNA is passes through generation by generation. For example, ang features like ang imong mata, ilong,